Hello everyone, I'm Rohit, and I, on behalf of Seorovino Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. And today the chapter that I'll be covering is from Class 4 NCERT board, subject is mathematics, and the name of the lesson is known as A Trip to Bhopal. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as wrong chart method. And the main innovation behind using this idea is to make the students understand the concepts related to the chapter and enhance the understanding by using wrong chart method. That is making the students correct the answers on their own and finding out the errors. The duration for this activity will be 40 minutes, and some of the important concepts that we will be revising with the help of this innovation are applying the basic operations to daily life situations and framing word problems. We need to make sure that we have already completed the building and explaining part of the chapter, and we will use this innovation only as a means of revising the concepts. As a pre-arrangement for applying this innovation, we need to come with a prepared, pre prepared wrong chart method, that is, which will contain sentences from the chapter A Trip to Bhopal and also word problems related to the chapter. And against the questions, we will write the wrong answers. And against that, we will um, leave a column for the correct answers. The students will have to come and read the questions, read the sentences and the word problems, and they will have to write the correct answer against it. For example, I will be giving out certain sample questions for that, but we also need to make sure that if the students are not being able to answer the questions, that they can also take the help from the book, or we can also guide them in finding out the answers, right? Some of the sample questions could be like this: that suppose there are 56 people in bus 1 and there are 39 people in bus 2, then what will be the total number of people? In the wrong answer column, we can write, say, there are 100 people in the bus. Then the students will have to come, analyze the question, and instead of writing 100 numbers of people, they will write the right answer in the third column, that is 95 number of people. Then the next sample question could be, if 1 meter of cloth cost 10 rupees, what will be the cost of 50 meters of cloth? In the wrong answer, we can write anything. We can write, say, 800 rupees. We can write 800 rupees. The student will come, analyze the question. They will find out the error, calculate it on their own. If they are not able to answer, they will either take the help from the book or from the peers, or you can also guide them while doing the calculation, and they will write the answer as 500 in the correct column. Similarly, we can prepare different questions out of the chapters related to the chapter, which will in turn build the concepts of the students. Like, for example, we can say that suppose a person have got a vendor have got is selling have got 78 lemons, and he enters the bus and sells 56 of them to the student, to the passengers. So how many lemons will he have now? Or say a spider was climbing 5 centimeters in 1 minute, and he was slipping behind 1 centimeter every minute. Then how much time will it take for that spider to climb 8 centimeters? Then another question could be, a student put 8 gifts in one box. Then how many gifts will he put in 10 boxes? Or this teacher bought 12 packets of crayons, and each packet, 7 packets contain 9 crayons, and the rest packets contain 10 crayons. So what will be the total number of crayons? Or if there are 5 rabbits in one cage, how many rabbits will be there in 5 cages? Or say, suppose if you buy one pen for 10 rupees, how much will you pay for 4 pencils, and so on. We can frame variety of questions out of the chapters, and the main motive is that we need to call out the students, and the students will be the one who will find out the error and correct and write the correct answer against the questions. That will be the main motive of this innovation. and it also helps in creating a self-learning environment among the students. It will definitely create a self-learning environment, and the students will be motivated towards paying concentration, will be forced to pay concentration in the classroom, because even though apart from they themselves coming to the board and answering the questions, they will also be uh, noticing the other students, other fellow mates, whether they are able to answer the questions or not. And apart from this, they will also be developing the critical thinking and the decision making process, and also learn how to respond to simple instructions that have been made in English, and also estimate length and distance. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. Thank you.